This was a real letter I received from my landlord. It's a warning letter for bounced check. I could not pay my rent on time. Look at the remarks. It says, having a return check in your file gives the landlord and his representative the full right to send you an eviction letter. I reacted immediately. I asked them for a favor. I requested, can I pay the check amount with the rent on the date of the next scheduled date? They denied. They refused. They said, please note that checks cannot be consolidated. Each check has to be paid on its due date, otherwise the case will be transferred to legal team to take necessary action. Before I tell you how I turned this around and was able to build an 8-figure online business, let me show you something exciting. I just asked AI why most people struggle to make money online. Now AI is analyzing, and the analysis result is coming in the form of a table. In this video, I'm going to share the analysis from AI. I will share how I was successful, how I was able to pay $3 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates for promoting our products, how I was able to share stage and masterminds with 8-figure entrepreneurs, and have tons of beginners just like yourself earn $500, $650, $1,000 passive affiliate commissions with our 99% done for you program. And with the evolution of AI, how easy it is for busy folks just like yourself. Let me be real with you for a moment. This wasn't just any bad day. It was the rock bottom. I was stuck in that horrible cycle. Bills piling up, no extra money, and definitely no time for a second job. Sounds familiar? I know exactly what you're going through right now. Maybe you're sitting at your desk during lunch break, watching this video, dreaming about financial freedom. Maybe you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Maybe you're excited about AI and all these new opportunities, but have no idea where to start. Trust me, I have been there. Back then, I tried everything. I looked into online courses, digital products, all those guru promises, and here is what kept happening. I would see a $7 product, think, okay, I can afford this. Then bam, a $27 upsell. Then another $97 upsell. It made me so angry. I lost trust in everyone selling online. And you know what that did? It kept me stuck for years, trying to figure out all by myself. Just like many of you right now, I was searching for answers. YouTube videos, courses, random blog posts, but nothing seemed to work because I was looking at it all wrong. By the way, is there anyone stopping you from smashing the like button? If not, gently smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Because the only reason we make these videos is to help wonderful people just like you. And when you like this video, share with your friends and family and watch the full video and even comment with questions or your thoughts. YouTube will pick this video up as an important video and show it to more and more people. More people will get the benefit of this content. And inshallah, you will get a part of the blessing. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we need your help. Please consider subscribing to our channel because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And it's only possible if you start it. And when you share this video with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. We will be extremely thankful to you. And when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. Who knows, maybe the next video is the ultimate missing piece that can take you from where you are to your goal. I'll give you a second for like, share, subscribe, and let's go back to the video. But then alhamdulillah, something interesting happened. One day I was at the grocery store, just picking up some basic stuff. And that's when it hit me. Look at what happens in the grocery store. You go for milk and bread, but then your kids want some snacks. Your wife spots a great deal on something. And you, my friend, see that buy one, get one free deal. And before you know it, your cart is full. And here is the crazy part. Nobody complains. Nobody says, hey, shop owner, why are you showing me all these products? Nobody gets angry seeing more options in a grocery store. That's when everything clicked. I realized I have been looking at online marketing all wrong. These weren't just money-grabbing tactics. These are actually legitimate strategies that every successful business uses. In fact, when I asked AI to analyze and give me a successful business model, it showed me something fascinating. Look at this. This is called a marketing funnel. The most successful businesses, whether online or offline, all use this exact same principle. And the reason for doing this is called trust. They build trust first by offering something free content or something very low cost at the top of the funnel. I mean, at the beginning. Now, question is, why do they offer free? And why do they have to start with a low-cost product? Why don't they just offer everything at a time? Two reasons. Number one, even grocery shops don't offer everything at a time. They stack their items in different places. As you travel through the grocery store, you see new things, you buy new things. But in the online world, there is one more layer, one more obstruction. that grocery stores don't have. An online potential customer or visitor has 3 types of fears. Fear number 1, if I buy something, will it actually this awesome that they advertise? Because a lot of people got burned. Plus, the relationship between the seller and the buyer is online and through a website, that's all. So it's hard to build that trust. Fear number 2, is this going to be something that I'm never going to use? I will simply lose money by buying it. That's a dilemma a lot of customers go through. Sometimes they take time, sometimes they don't buy, sometimes they forget about buying. And the fear number 3, which is the biggest fear, the fear of not receiving the product they purchased. In short, fear of getting scammed. And the customers are not wrong, because there are lots of bad people out there. So you need to be careful, you need to be mindful, and no one wants to look like a stupid. So when you give them something for free, whether it's small or big, or maybe just a social media content just like this video, or one step more, sell something at a low price and deliver amazing value, basically over deliver, then those customers are ready to buy other products or other offers you may have into your funnel. So let's go again one more time. Offer something for free at the top of the funnel. This will attract everyone. This will attract eligible buyers, non-eligible people, every single one. But once they see that you are delivering value for free, they know that there is a chance they can trust you. Then offer them something low ticket or low price, like $7, $27, $17, $97. These are all low ticket. A lot of them will try. And if you deliver massive value, then they want to go for something bigger. Maybe at this level, you sold them a book with an amazing value. And maybe the next offer is a complete course, well, where you'll show them and they can learn from over your shoulder. Maybe the next offer is done for you or done with you. That could be a $997 offer. You see, the highest price offers are not for everyone. They have their own value. So there is nothing wrong with that. It's only the fears of being ripped off, fears of losing money, and fears of getting scammed, and not having a little bit guidance about how the funnel works in real world makes us angry when we see a marketing funnel being applied on us. But it's actually for our own good. Through a marketing funnel, the seller is trying to build trust with you, deliver value upfront, and then offer something that you might need and they have. And by the time they offer the highest price offer, you are ready to grab it because the trust and confidence is built. And from the free and affordable parts of the funnel, you learn whether you need the rest of the funnel or not, so you can take an educated decision. Here is an example of a successful funnel. This is inside one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and it's a software product. This particular software funnel made us $332,399. Interestingly, it did $100,000 in just one day. So where is the funnel? Look at all these other products of different price ranges after the main product. If I put them all together and charged $1,000 to maybe $2,000 for the whole thing, a lot of people may not be able to buy that high price product. But once I offered the main product at a low price and delivered massive value, people realize whether they need the rest of the offers or not. So some of them bought the rest of the funnel, some of them bought 1 or 2 or more. Eventually, a massive value exchange happened. I made a lot of money, I delivered a lot of value, the customers were extremely happy. Eventually, they become fan of buying from me. Okay, let's go back to the story. When I realized how the funnel works in real life and how the funnel works in online world, I started building my product to put together in one funnel. And honestly, it wasn't easy. For every step of the funnel, let's say this is a funnel, this is one step, this is another step, that's another step, here's another step, and that's the final high ticket step. Every single step has a product, has a website, and every website has a sales copy and graphic design. Not to mention a buy button. Oh, I forgot to mention a video sales letter or VSL. Every single step of the funnel has its own product delivery system. On top of everything, the one thing that builds the relationship with the customers, and it comes after the product sales. It's called customer support. Without these, all your efforts are gone. You lost everything. I didn't even mention one of the biggest challenges, payment processor. Now, let me ask you something. Do you know any of this? How to create a product, a digital product, how to create a website, shoot a VSL edit and finally publish? Oh, I forgot to mention. Hosting VSL videos are extremely expensive. Do you know how to write a persuasive sales copy that people will read and decide to purchase? Do you know graphic design? Do you know how to deal with buy buttons and set up the whole funnel one by one? Product delivery, customer support? All these have their own skill set of building, managing, and hiring people to get things done. Honestly, this whole thing was extremely crazy. So this looks simple, but it is not simple, and it wasn't simple for me, especially when I was at a 9 to 5 day job. I had only 2 hours maximum to try something with my online stuff after the work. So the solution I found was affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, sellers do this funnel work. They build the product, they build the funnel, they build website, all this sales copy, graphic design, all those crazy stuff. And look at how sad they are because they don't have customers. They don't have time to market their products and funnels and actually get customers. And customers right here are looking for solution to their problems. They're searching online. Where is the product that solves their problem? So here comes our Captain Super Affiliate. This Captain Super Affiliate connects customers with the product creators, and when the customer purchases, Captain Super Affiliate earns affiliate commission. So everyone does what they're best at. Product creators create products. Captain Super Affiliate knows both parties. He just connects them. And customer does what they are best at, buying. Alhamdulillah, when I was massively successful, made over $10 million online, I was able to have a program for busy folks just like yourself. All these people you'll see in my Instagram story highlights. So go here and find out student success, and you'll see all these people made $500 commissions, $300 commissions, regular busy folks just like yourself. And they are from everywhere in the world because we taught them how to do affiliate marketing the right way. And not only that, we do 99% of the work for them. So making money is super simple. They do not do any technical work. They also came from some kind of funnel. They consumed my free content on social media and the trust is built. Some of them purchased an entry-level product and then went through the funnel and other offers. Some of them did not go through these products, directly purchased the 99% done for you offer. And that takes us to this member of our 99% Done For You program. This student joined our program a couple of days ago. The day he joined was the day of our weekly coaching session. So that's the next step of trust building. He spent a lot of time with me, personally answering his questions, offering solutions to his problems, and I had nothing to sell because he already paid premium. Now remember I told you that customers will buy from you over and over again once the trust is built. So today he sent me a message. He said, Mosh, I bought this AI software and this page is come. Can you tell me what this page is? Okay, let me show you. He purchased one of my AI software and without even asking, this software swaps faces on the video. For example, this is a video from Tai Lopez. You put this video in the software and you upload your selfie or anyone's image. My team member Rabbi uploaded his image and Tai Lopez turned into Rabbi. But we didn't stop there. We uploaded Donald Trump's photo and Tai Lopez turned into Donald Trump. So this new member purchased this software. After purchasing the first offer, he got an offer for the second one. And now that the trust is built, he trusts me. He came back, asked me, hey Mosh, is this needed? If I say, yes, it is needed, he will probably buy it. Should I say, yes, it is needed? No, I'm not going to say that. I'm going to tell him, first of all, I'm going to show this video to him. I'm going to tell him that I made this video just for you. So you understand you should only buy what you need. If you want to just try it, try a new feature, new benefit, go ahead, get it. Try it. You're not going to lose money because we will give you whatever we promise. So when you see an offer or upsell offer, don't get upset. Instead, check whether you want it or not. You want it, get it. But if you don't need it, then don't get it. Focus on the program. Because if you joined my program, you joined because you want to make money. You want to get freedom from your 9 to 5. You want to retire early. You never want to get warning letters like this. You never want to request someone to give you some time to pay the rent. You want to be able to make money on demand. And Alhamdulillah, our students are learning that. And tons of our students are making money. Look at Nathan. Nathan made $1,248 in affiliate commission. Nathan has a full-time day job. He has very little time to try anything himself. Nathan lives in US, he has kids, and recently he went through some personal issues that I cannot tell. Maybe one day, but I have to ask for his permission first. Petra's story is interesting. Petra has been my low-ticket product customer for years. And when I launched my 99% Done For You program, Petra contacted me and said, hey Mosh, I purchased a lot of your products, but now I want to make money. So she signed up and Alhamdulillah, she earned good money. Petra made over $2,000 commission. Complete passive income, 99% Done For You. Maybe you already know Jats Naran. Jats is not a beginner. He has a huge YouTube channel. He's a social media star, but he doesn't have time for affiliate marketing. He has his own online business. I told him, listen, we are going to set up everything done for you. You will make money for free. So Jats followed what we asked him to do, and he made $1,691 commission in just 2 days. Now wait, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This may not happen to everyone. And I'm not trying to say that you will get rich overnight. All I'm trying to say is that the done-for-you setup works for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a professional. Anna's story is a bit interesting. Anna doesn't want to follow the program. Anna doesn't want to do anything. She is busy. But she loves our weekly Zoom meetings. So every week, she joins the meeting, she gets inspired and take a few steps. You know, those 1% that you have to do? And she made $1,891 commission from that. Let me share what a genuine mentor and program should offer. Over delivery on promises. Provide real support when you need it. Our members get response directly from me. We have a super amazing community. Anyone needs help, any question, they just post here, and either me or my team replies almost immediately. Any question, nothing is small for us, whether it's an entry-level question or professional level question. Whether it's a long question or short question, or whether it's just a basic question, basic problem that even the student himself can solve. We are always there for our students and members. A genuine mentor and a program stay current with the technology like AI. Do I need to tell you that all these images are made using AI? And the prompts for these images are written using AI. In fact, this video script is completely planned and written using AI. And our students get all our knowledge, current and updated, through this comprehensive course that we keep updating, sometimes every week, sometimes every month, depending on what's required. They're always connected with us through an active community. They get live support from the community and from the weekly coaching calls. Whether they get immediate success or a delayed success, whether they make $1,000 commission or $500 commission or $650 commission, we stay with them. That's why so many happy people made so much money. Think about where you are right now, stuck in your 9 to 5, looking for a reliable side income, wanting to use AI, but not sure how. Dreaming of financial freedom. I went from warning letter from landlord to making over 8 figures online, paying over $3 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates for promoting our product, sharing stage and masterminding with other 8-figure entrepreneurs, having beginner members of our 99% done for you program earn $650, $500, $300, $1,000 commissions, having over 500,000 followers across all our social media accounts, and having over 23,000 members across multiple community groups. Then you can do it too. In fact, with our support, you can do even better. If you are ready to stop struggling alone, I have something for you. Click the link in the description. It will ask for your email. Type your correct email there and you will be taken to this website. On this training page, you will learn how you can earn $500 commissions with our 99% done for you system. Make sure to watch this full training. Don't ignore, because if you do or you skip, there is so much information in there that you will get confused. So watch the full training video. And after watching the video, if you have any question, ask our AI chat agent. Don't worry, it's not a boring chatbot. It will answer just like me. This is our chat agent. We trained it to speak just like me. If you still have questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Because all I want from you is to get educated enough to take a wise and correct decision just for yourself. Listen, don't wait like I did. Don't wait to receive this kind of ugly letters. Don't let them happen to your life. You don't want to request someone to delay your rent because you don't have the money. The tools we have today, alhamdulillah, especially AI, are able to make a struggling beginner turn into a successful super affiliate and make money like our beginner members much faster than you can imagine. All you need to do is start. And all I'm asking you to do is start with watching this free video. I'm not asking you to go through my funnel. I'm asking you to watch this free content to learn about how you can use our done for you, 99% done for you setup and make money just for yourself. If you love this video, make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Because at the end of the day, the content on this channel are completely free and they are made for viewers just like you. So you can learn, take action, and change your life. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because that way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video. For more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.